this is another one of my knives that you can get off of Meathead Knives. What's going on, y'all? Well, as you can tell, it's raining once again. So I'm not gonna be able to use my cool little rotisserie grill and spit that I just recently got. So instead, I'm gonna go back into the kitchen and we're gonna make some Monte Cristo sandwiches. If you don't know what a Monte Cristo sandwich is, don't worry, because not a whole lot of people do. They're not a really popular sandwich. In fact, a Monte Cristo, it's like you take the world of French toast and you take jelly and you take meat and you combine it all into this big, wonderful, delicious sandwich. In fact, it's in my top 3 favorite sandwiches of all time, which is Cuban, the Philly, and of course the Monte Cristo sandwich. So let's get inside, let's get this thing pounded out, then hopefully next week I'll be able to use that rotisserie spit and grill to make picanha 2 ways. That's gonna be a really cool video too. But I might be on vacation, so it might be delayed, but anyhow, I'll see you inside. All right, y'all, we're back inside. First thing you're gonna need, take yourself 4 eggs. Some heavy whipping cream. You're gonna add about a 1/4 cup to about a 1/3 cup to the eggs. Got some nutmeg here. Gonna freshly ground some nutmeg. Cinnamon. Add a touch of cinnamon in there. And we're going to do like Bob Marley says. Stir it up. That's what Bob Marley does say. Bob Marley, the song, stir it up. My wife's laughing. You know that's funny. Stir it up. Sweet darling, stir it up. Come on, baby. I have 2 pieces of Texas toast here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put these on the stove real quick and toast these up and dry them out. Reason being, you want it to soak up that batter into the bread. So I'm gonna be right back after I have these toasted. Cool down after being toasted. I'm gonna put some Duke's mayonnaise on there. A lot of people use like mustard. I do not like mustard, so I do not put mustard on here. Now, after you put the mayonnaise, now comes time for the cheese. Alright, so after we put the cheese, now it's time to do the turkey. This turkey's really good. There we go. And on this side, I'm gonna put the ham. Got a lot of ham. Then right here where the turkey is, we're gonna put some of that's the blueberry jelly. Blueberry jam I made. Put some of that on here. There we go. And the remaining cheese, I'm gonna put that right on top of here. It's gonna kind of tie everything together. Bam. Looks like a winner right there. Now we just gotta batter that up. All right, so here we go. I put it in the batter. When it's dry like that, it's gonna soak up a lot of that batter. There we go. Wipe off some of the excess. Put that in there. Beautiful. That's how I transfer it over to the pan. Now I keep my stove right there, just a little bit past medium. All right, so it's time to flip it. Good. Get the other side nice and crisp, like that. Be about another minute, we'll be good to go. Okay, it's time to flip it. Turn on the side, kind of like you do a steak. There we go. There we go. All right, so here we go. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. All right, so as Cooking with CJ would say, let's try this bad boy. Definitely in my top 3. What's so cool is you can taste that smoky turkey in there, that ham, that blueberry jam. It all works perfectly in harmony together. Plus with the French toast outside and a little bit of crunchy on the outside as well. Oh, it's so good. Plus that melted Gouda cheese going throughout. Now you can play with this all you want to. I have some blackberry jam in there. I was gonna use that, but I was like, you know what? I want to use my blueberry because hey, it's my sandwich. But you can use any kind of jam you want to, or you can put it on the side. Anyhow, I appreciate you watching this, everybody. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and next week is hopefully, if the weather permits, picanha 2 ways. So, I'll see y'all then. Ciao.